Today I'm here to tell you all about the Avital 3103LX vehicle security system. Stay tuned to this video to learn more. So let's talk about what's in the box. There's a control module with an onboard impact sensor. There are two 4-button remotes with up to quarter-mile range, a programming button, LED indicator light, wiring harnesses, a quick reference guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card that has a QR code to bring you to your full owner's guide. So let's talk about some of the features of this 3103LX security system. It has a starter interrupt to help prevent vehicle theft, a panic or car locator function, it monitors for open doors or trunk, flashing parking lights, remote keyless entry, ignition controlled door locks, 2 auxiliary outputs, and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. For more information or to find a professional installer near you, visit avital.com.